Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to get addicted to English. Not just for a few days, not just when you're motivated, but permanently for the rest of your life. If you've ever started learning English and then quit, if you've ever felt excited one day but bored the next, if you've ever asked yourself, why can't I stay consistent with English? Why do I always lose interest? Then this video is for you. Because the truth is, it's not your fault. Your brain is not broken. You are not lazy. You've just never been taught how to fall in love with English. This is not a video about grammar or vocabulary. This is a video about rewiring your brain to love English, to crave English, to need English like food, to make English your identity, your lifestyle, your daily obsession. This is not motivation for one day. This is a complete system to make English a permanent part of your life, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will feel different. You will see English differently. And you will say, this is the moment my English journey truly began. So listen till the end, and subscribe to our channel. Because this channel is not here to just teach English. It's here to change your relationship with English forever. Let's begin. Part 1. Train your brain to love English. If you want to get addicted to English, you must stop treating English like a subject. This is the #1 reason people fail. They treat English like mathematics, like science, like homework. But English is not a subject. It's not something you complete or pass. English is a language, and a language is living. It's how we feel. It's how we express our emotions. It's how we understand the world. It's how we connect with people. It's how we show love, fear, anger, joy. And if you treat English like a lifeless subject, your brain will never fall in love with it. So the first step is simple. You must train your brain to love English like a passion. Like your favorite movie, like your favorite person, like your favorite food. Step 1. Change the identity of English in your brain. Ask yourself this question. What does English mean to me? For many learners, the answer is, English is difficult, English is confusing, English is scary, English reminds me of failure. English is something I'm not good at. If this is your story, then your brain will always try to escape English. It will run away. It will find distractions. It will find excuses every time. But now, starting today, we change the story. Starting today, you must tell your brain, English is my key to freedom. English is my power. English is my superpower. English is how I will travel the world. English is how I will become confident. English is my future. Say it out loud. Every day. Repeat it until your brain starts to believe it. Because the truth is, the brain learns through emotion and repetition. If you tell it something with emotion again and again, it accepts it as truth. This is how people get addicted to anything. They associate it with pleasure, with power, with identity. Step 2. Use emotional triggers for English. Here's the most powerful secret of this video. People don't get addicted to things. They get addicted to how those things make them feel. For example, someone who's addicted to their phone. They're not addicted to the phone. They're addicted to the dopamine they feel when they scroll. Same with food, movies, or even love. Now let's apply this to English. If English makes you feel bored, tired, frustrated, your brain will reject it. But if English makes you feel powerful, excited, inspired, your brain will start to want more of it. So here's what you must do. Create emotional English experiences. How? Listen to English podcasts that inspire you. Watch English movies that make you cry. Read English stories that make you feel love or fear or joy. Speak English while looking at yourself in the mirror and say, I am powerful, I am fluent, I am unstoppable. Train your brain to connect English with emotion. And slowly, your brain will start asking for more English. Not because you should, but because it feels good.